Stress management starts with identifying the sources of stress in your life. This isn't as straightforward as it sounds though. While it's easy to identify major stresses such as changing jobs, moving, or going through a divorce, pinpointing the sources of chronic stress can be more complicated. This workshop is an introduction to assist attendees isolate what's driving unproductive behavior, such as procrastination, isolation, poor health habits, negative attitude, outbursts, poor sleeping habits, and inappropriate commentary. Often, people may not realize they're stressed and yet cannot understand why they're not achieving results. We cover the power of using positive stress as a driving force, improving performance, and countering negative stress, distress, with effective stress management techniques. This workshop is especially suited to professionals seeking comfort and guidance in managing personal stresses, employees in any direct and indirect client-facing role. The key competencies addressed include attitude, stress management, self-confidence, and managing performance.